there, Kim. My name is Marcy Hutton, and I was speaking with Lori. She said that you were the one that would be best to view this video. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're most likely thinking, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? But what I've found is when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have in hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that you can do to impact your business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Now the 3 things that I'm going to cover are content, citations, and backlinks. Now by content, what I mean is the information that you have, what I've got highlighted there. The information, the images that you have throughout your website, and particularly on the home page. The reason for this is Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the home page of a site. When they come across a site on the internet, what they do is they dig in there, they crawl all of it, and what they're wanting to do, figure out is what information is this site putting on the web. So when it's a business like yours, they want to know what services you offer. They want to know the location that you're offering them. So then that way, when searchers type into the browser, they can offer up the most relevant results. They make money by people being on their search engine, so they don't want them to leave. So that's why it's important to them that they do offer the most relevant results. So that's something that you could do is add some content for sure. Let's take a look at this picture. Fireplace, gas fireplace maintenance, fireplace. So that's awesome. That's exactly what I mean. Is you want to name these pictures, take that opportunity, because of course the Google bots don't see, they read everything. So add some content here and you'd be surprised on how it's going to help to make you more visible. Google, as I said, is just going to give preference. If they come across a site where that's just got a couple hundred words of content and the one next to it's got 1,000 to 1,500, they're going to see the one with the content as the expert in the market. Now I'll move on to citations and explain what that is. What a citation is it's a place where you would find your exact name, address, and phone number of your business cited across the internet. So, on like a Yelp listing or 411, Yellow Pages, all of those things are what we call citations. So the more places that you have your business cited throughout various directories on the web, that shows Google that you're legit, right? They keep coming across you, so they know you're a legitimate business. And the other thing that the factor where it will help you is it will help you to get higher in the positioning for your maps listing. Ultimately, the goal being to get up here into these top 3. They definitely get the lion's share of the clicks. It tends to follow how you're ranking sites that are ranking on the first page of the search, showing up on the first page of the search. They're the ones that are typically going to be showing up here in the maps as well if they have a map listing. So getting your business cited in as many directories as you can is definitely going to benefit you. And then I'll move on to, this bottom section here. We call this the organic section. So what helps to get your site visible in the first page of the search would be backlinks. Now what a backlink is it's when a third-party site on the internet links to your website. And to understand, kind of put it in simplest terms of how that affects you and how that helps you, is if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, Google crawls the web and it sees that you have these other websites on the internet that are linking to yours, where they're going to see you as the popular one, and then they're going to push you up in the search results. So what I've done is I've taken the first site that's showing up on the first page of the search, and I've put it into a tool, and I've put your site into the same tool so we can kind of see, success leaves clues, why it is that he's sitting there in that position. So I put your site in here first, and it shows me that you have 10 other websites on the internet that are linking to yours and giving you 83 backlinks, being found for 41 words. This is where that content is really important. The more content you have, then the more things that they're going to find you for. And that you're getting an average of 4 clicks for visitors to your site a month. So then checking out that other site, he has 57 backlinks. And when I do say, just should clarify this, not all backlinks are created equal. It's just not a matter of going out and getting sheer numbers, because quality is always going to win over quantity with the value of them. You want them to be coming from relevant sites, relevant to what it is you do, from sites that Google trusts, sites that have been on the web for a while. So there is something to that, not just sheer numbers. But they have 57, giving them about 500 backlinks. They're being found for just over 500 words, and they're getting just over 100 visitors to their site each month. So that's kind of how that all works. I'm going to leave it at that as far as information. I don't like to overwhelm people, and I like to keep these videos nice and short. But I will follow up to make sure that this made its way to you and didn't end up in a junk folder somewhere. And yeah, I'd love to hear your feedback. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.